Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to install Google Store in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is we need to navigate here at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Now once we have typed that, we can see here a best match. You need to proceed on clicking on open to continue. Now please wait until a new window would appear, which is our Google Chrome browser. Now, once you are being redirected here at the Google Chrome browser, wait until everything are set here before we proceed. Okay, so at the upper right side of that, you can see there are different options, which are Gmail, images, and this icon. So all you need to do is you need to click on this icon to see Google Apps. So tap on it, and the moment you have tapped on it, please scroll down and look for Google Store. Okay, but let's say, for example, you don't see any of the Google Store here. Don't worry. All you need to do is you need to click on this option called More from Google. And the moment you have to click on it, there it can see you helpful products built with you in mind. All you need to do is you need to scroll down, and beside the product support, you can see there Google Store. So tap on it and wait until you are being redirected to the Google Store itself. So just close the first two tabs first so that you can focus on this new tab, which is you are being redirected to the Google Store. Now it will ask you to pick the location that matches your shipping addresses. Okay. All you need to do is you need to pick the location where you want to deliver the product with. Okay. So here it has Americas, which contains the countries which is under Americas, also in Asia Pacific, Europe, and all. Okay, so just select the country that you want to go with. Okay, so let's say for example US or United States. Just click on change, continue, or yes, changed, and wait until you are being redirected to the Google Store itself. Okay. So once you are here at the Google Store, all you need to do is you need to navigate to the upper right side of that where you can see there are three dots. Click on it and you need to scroll down and go with this cast, saved, and share. And the moment you locate your cursor here, you would be able to see here saved pages and create shortcut. Now all you need to click on create shortcut, tap on it. And once you have tapped on it here, it will ask you to create a shortcut to this name. You can rename that or you can leave the name, which is a suggested name that you can go with. So in my case, I'll be renaming it Google Store. So click on create. The moment you have to click on it, okay, there you have that. You can now go with the desktop, okay? And when we close the window, okay, there we can now see the Google Store here in our desktop screen, a shortcut as well. Okay, so this is the way on how to install Google Store as an application. And if we try to search here at the bottom search bar and type for store, okay, we can see it here under the apps. Okay, when we click this forward arrow, there we can go with open file location, and pin to taskbar if you want to, and pin to start as well. Okay. So this is how easy actually to install Google Store in our Windows or computer. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.